ano, sorry ka na problema, Mama. Hi, my name is Ras. Can I help you?
Yes, I was calling because my TV doesn't have any picture on it.
Because that's not a picture. That's a TV show.
I don't have any picture on my screen. There's no video on it.
Oh. Hindi, what? Ano po sa kanyo? Brown out po?
No, it's not brown out. We have electricity.
Oh.
I don't have picture on the screen.
You don't have a picture because you're not in there because that's not a cell phone. That's a TV.
Yes, that's why I need my picture on the screen. Help me.
You want so download something you want to know, and you have many gacha. You like it. You see your picture in the TV. Into the balita.
What's balita?
News. Balita is calling news.
News.
Weather.
Weather. What's the weather there?
I don't know because I'm not helping weather. I'm into the work.
So what's the weather there?